Hello. Hey. Happy Friday for the next 2 minutes. At least for me. Friday, Saturday. Let's go. Who's not excited about Friday? I think I said before I don't get too excited about Fridays because it kind of just reminds me that I'm going to have anxiety all weekend thinking about Monday. But nah, I like it. I like it. Feel less pressure, you know, Friday night. Not having to do a bunch of crap in the morning. Catch up on work or something. And tomorrow's the Celtic Festival. What's up? Who's not into the Celts? Hello. How's it going? Yeah. That was an email about my house. We're in escrow selling the Burbank house, which is fantastic. Get rid of that thing. Oh, did you notice my glasses? Yeah, they're kind of broken. This is like blue light filter glasses. Lost this. I think I like sat on them or something. Ugh. All right. What's going on? Seems like the YouTube live feed chat. I mean, the live feed stream is going crazy. Am I live right now? Let's leave and come back. Doop. Yeah, I don't get it, man. I mean, I put ultra low latency. I think I've said this before, but it's total latency. Makes it hard to interact with, you know, you guys. Whoa, I just realized I didn't do any of my lighting. 1 second. That was dumb. There we go. You see me better now? I get to see the transition on the YouTube Shorts feed because there's a super lag. Let's see. Let's see how different it looks. I mean, it's not like horrible lighting the way it was before, but it's just not bright enough. Everything is so fuzzy, you know? Really need these bright ass lights. Which, the only thing I don't like about it is the mic shadow. Wish I could get rid of that. Dude, what the hell? How much of a lag is this YouTube Shorts feed? I'm gonna double check my feed. Let's see this one. No, I want to go to... Here we go. No, I guess I can't change it. Settings? No. Details? Analytics? No. Alright. Whatever. Yeah. So again, happy Friday. Welcome to all you folk. Happy to be here. Happy to see you whenever any of you join. I don't know, I expect some people. I think Beto's not coming today. He said he's traveling or something. Probably see Dak Dude at some point. And maybe we'll have some interesting folk jump on brand new. I was just watching a video about I think it was from Pirate Software. Pirate Software. Yeah. Thor. He was talking about privacy policy stuff. I guess there's a bunch of, turmoil with this new Once Human game. I don't know. I guess people started reading for the first time what the privacy policies say, and got everybody spooked. Now, I personally work pretty closely. Wait, what the hell is this? What are you? You have a random item over here? Oh. Yeah, this was the... Oh yeah, I originally was gonna have you collect the ID badge like it was this. That's funny. And I just left it in. Yeah, it's talking about privacy policies. And I work in, just being a web developer and, authoring WordPress plugins and themes and working with massive companies where we really have to deal with privacy compliance and stuff like that. I am very privy to what generic privacy policies say, at least in the website world, which is pretty similar. Whoa, the computer's actually has the fan on for the first time in a while. Let's see if I can close some stuff. Boop. And yeah, privacy policies are full of junk. And a lot of times they are overkill because the websites or whatever the product, they're just trying to cover all their bases. So, which isn't always a good thing for, for companies, because then you put things in there that are pretty restrictive, like the things you collect or the things that the website may see based off of their third-party vendors or whatever, analytics or whatever. And it can be scary to people. Obviously, you don't want to under-report what you're doing, because then you can get in big trouble. What was that? But, you also can scare people by saying stupid things like, we collect your personal data, and we may use it for marketing, or we may give it to other third parties. It's like, that's pretty scary for people if they actually read it for the first time, And that's why you're getting into all these issues with privacy, like with Facebook and Google going crazy and getting rid of third-party cookies and all this stuff going on, right? It is scary, I guess, if you think about it, but it's only scary because you don't know what it means. If you actually understood the type of things that the websites are looking at and tracking and collecting, they're nothing you care about. You know what I mean? I mean, do you care if somebody knows that you're clicking right here? Or like right here? Do you care if somebody knows how much you scroll down a page? Is that going to make you not want to go to that website anymore? Because that's every website. If you have Google Analytics running on your website, they're tracking all of that, And like, do you care? Do you care that Google got your information at one place and then now it's shared to all websites. You know, when people go to the analytics, they can see that. And yeah, I mean, the person you should be scared about the most is Google. Because not only do they collect the most information about online interactions, but they're the ones that make the rules. Because they run Chrome. And Google Chrome is the most used browser on the internet. You know, I think Safari's a close second. But that's because it's default in everybody's phone and Macs and stuff. If you don't know any better. So yeah. Be scared of Google. Don't be scared of websites. But I mean, don't be stupid either. Don't click on weird links. Don't download anything. Ever. Don't ever download anything. I know you want to, but like go to a marketplace that you trust, you know, like the App Store or some sort of, you know, the WordPress directory is pretty safe, and you know, different directories like that. That's fine. But don't just like go on random websites and download things like, oh, I need this free online tool. No, just don't do it. If you're worried about privacy, don't do that. Because how the hell do you think they're offering free tools? What, you think they're just making money off of the ad revenue on their website? That's pennies, man. Nah, they're making money because they're tracking your damn computer now that you installed, you know, Calculator 2.0 or whatever the hell. So yeah. Yeah, you could just be safe. And don't trust VPNs. They don't do anything for safety. They're good for Netflix and, you know, watching videos or looking at websites with GDPR rules. If you want to, honestly, I think that's the best thing in the world. If you're really worried about privacy, you know, your interactions online, get a VPN and then say you're coming from the UK. Because every website, I'm a website programmer, I know this. Every website has super strict GDPR rules now. And we try to have the least amount of restrictions on the cookies that we can run, the scripts we can run. So any edge, any inch that we can get to like add another script on the page or add another cookie, we'll do it because it's better for marketing purposes. It's better for, you know, user interactions, for dynamic content, that kind of stuff. I mean, it's not really like nefarious, but if you want to be safe, GDPR makes it almost impossible for websites to track anything without explicit consent. 'Cause that's the difference. GDPR rules, they require you to opt in, whereas California and all these other laws, they require you to opt out. Like, give the person the ability to opt out if they want to. But on first load, you're getting tracked right away. And then they'll ask you, hey, is it okay if we do this? And you can say no. Or you can do nothing. And then they're tracking you the whole time. So, yeah, use a VPN. Say you're coming from the UK. And, you know, then you'll be treated as if you're under the laws of GDPR. That should be good. That'll be good for you. If you're worried about that kind of stuff. I, on the other hand, you know, I've been a website programmer for 20 years. WordPress programmer specifically for 16. I want the full experience of a website. I don't care what you do. Give me all your cookies. Give me all your scripts. I want to see the full effect of your website. You know what I mean? Because, I mean, the devs put in a lot of work to do that kind of stuff. And with all the privacy scares and all the all the new laws and rules and stuff like that. Really tying website developers' hands behind their backs. And they really have to build 2 different websites, which kind of sucks. Job security though, huh? Always job security when you have to build 2 different websites. And sometimes you have to do 3. You implement AMP, you know, the accelerated mobile pages that Google provides. That's a completely different website as well. You have to use their AMP code that's completely stripped down to nothing. They don't allow you to run scripts. Third-party scripts are really hard to run. You can't do anything without explicit interaction from the user on the website. And it runs super fast, and that's why people do it. And Google kind of gives it priority. If you have AMP enabled, it kind of gives a little boost to your SEO juice for your mobile site, which is a big deal for a lot of websites. Yeah. So think about that. What am I doing? This is a WordPress video game. Like I said, I'm a WordPress programmer. Been doing it for a really long time. Used to work for Disney, Universal. I program websites for Warner Brothers. You know, did a Harry Potter site, did a DisneySyncLink.com. Did a bunch of stuff. Harry Potter's gone though, because it was for the movie releases, and those were a while ago. Unfortunately, so old. Yeah, I worked on the Carrie Underwood website for the Universal's music label. That was fun. Don't think she was in her prime when I was doing that, but... yeah. Worked on a lot of websites. Investors.com. Beachbodies. Did their whole coaching certification site. Not just me, I was on a team. And, I was also a professional piercer for 10 years. Worked in Hollywood for a while, Studio City, Echo Park. Originally from California, so worked in Hollywood for a while, outside of piercing as well. And yeah, all the music you hear in the background is me. It's me screaming, me singing. So... if you want to know where you can listen to any of this music, it's all online, somewhere or another. And, yeah, that's pretty much the intro. Oh yeah, other than the fact that this is Orbem, Orbem Explorer. This is the video game. So this is based off of my book series, Orbem. So if you go to my website, this is book 2. This just came out. And you can check out the series. Orbem is book 1. Miropelia is book 2. And I'm working on book 3 right now. It's a sci-fi fantasy crossover novel. A lot of hard science, a lot of explanation, scientific stuff, a lot of programmy stuff. But then it's in a fantasy universe, so you get the whole shebang. You get elves, you get magic, you get, you know, every animal humanoid that you could want. Yeah. And I'm making the video game based off of the story. So I have a basis for the entire video game. I have my universe to use, which is cool. And yeah, we just did a giveaway not too long ago. Big winner was Game Doodle. He jumps on YouTube sometime. And he gets his paperbacks, free paperbacks, and he gets a choice of the merch. Which, yeah, you can also, you know, he gets to choose anything from all these merch choices because he signed up for the newsletter within the 100 hours. It was a 100 subscriber thing. All right, but what are we doing? Let's start game deving, huh? You guys bored yet? Alright. So, I was trying to fix a bug. And when I got off stream last night. And what was that bug? It was not that. This is different. This is because I'm not logged in. Alright. No. The bug is that my mission trigger, which is a little box, hidden box that you run into to complete a mission, that is not showing up client side when I go between areas. So we're gonna have to fix that. And I was trying to figure out why the hell it's not showing up. Because it seems like current location is wrong. Because when I go to the next area here, it's using current location for site. But I just don't 100% know if that's true. Let's do this actually. Let's go here. And let's refresh. Let's see what we got in the elements. Do I have mission trigger in here still? Okay, so no mission trigger. But when I go to the next one, I should have a mission trigger. I don't. And that's the problem. I should have a mission trigger, but it's not coming up. Even though the current location... Oh, maybe that is the problem. Because I'm setting current location after I get there. So does that mean I'm grabbing the wrong current location? Wait, when do I set the current location? Oh wait, no. It was here. This one's wrong. Oh no, missions is correct. I'm getting the right missions. It's the mission triggers that are wrong. Which is getting outputted right here, which is coming from here. June bugs, man. Getting in the house. Alright, so missions for triggers are coming from here, which is getting current location from here. Why is current location wrong? Well, I am local, so let's check out the database. Doop. So, current location is set in the user meta. Right here. Let's see. Current location is for site. Where am I? I'm here. Current location is for site. And the mission trigger is connected to a mission here. Mission, next mission, next mission. Those are hidden. Engage, next mission. Wait, which one has the mission trigger? I forget. Let's refresh. I'll just check. Badoop, 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 badoop. Alright, so it's mission triggers for, okay, it's for do something. So do something. And you see it shows up when I refresh because server side it's working. Meaning I think current location is working after. So that's gotta be the problem. Oh yeah, where the hell am I setting current location? Location. Right here. So I'm setting it after. But that's the problem though. It's like I'm also, oh, damn it. I'm also setting it after missions, but missions are working fine. So how are missions getting the proper location, but map, and most of the map items are too. Wait. That's the problem. Here, let's zoom in. It's easier to see for you guys. Yeah, like, look at these. Current location. This is for everybody, not just for... So these are missions. Am I not using current location for anything else? Oh, that's right. I'm passing explore points into here. So I'm getting those separately. And I'm getting those from using position, which is coming from... the area I'm going to. Yeah, what the hell am I doing? Let's just pass position here. I'm so stupid. This is what happens when you program super goddamn late. Yeah. Why am I doing this? This is stupid. Why am I even doing this? Let's do it like this. Yeah, because by default, position won't be passed. It's only passed when it's, we'll do it like this. So let's actually check. So am I using current location for anything? I don't think I am. Right? I think we confirmed that. I am. I'm using it for missions. For missions. Yeah, because I'm just checking if it has a data mission in it. Okay, so this should fix a couple things. Alright, so let's do this. Current location equal, so as long as position, well, it'll never be empty, so we'll just do whatever. Let's just change the name to current location. Right. If it was not passed, then it's Foresight, which is the first location you go to. Otherwise, you're going to a new area. Sure. Alright, let's go to try now. I'm going to restart. Okay, so now what should happen is I should be able to leave, come back, and there still be a mission trigger here. Let's actually check there's a mission trigger right now. There it is. So let's leave and come back. Boop boop. Why does it keep doing that? I don't know. Alright, let's check. Ta-da! It works. Okay. Bug fixed. Easy peasy. Not a problem. Let's push the stage. Alright. Now you go on the stage. Cool. Now we can continue. I know there was another bug that I found a few days ago. It was a server-side bug where something's not working server-side, but it's working client-side. And I just can't remember. Maybe I fixed it. Whatever. We'll find out pretty quickly. I'm going to restart the game and just start from square one. I wonder if I can fix that stupid setting bug. Settings. Info. Return is set. If it's not 0. Yes. So this should be fine. 0 should be a setting. But I think the problem was in here. Minimum is 0. I'm using max. False equals empty. Otherwise start with 5. I guess I should sanitize the output here. I don't know. This actually seems fine. What the hell's wrong with this? It won't let me send 0. Is it here? Save settings. Like, is this what it is? No. Save setting. Yeah. Should be fine. Wait, maybe I already fixed it. Hold on. Okay, so 0. Save. And I have sound effects are 5, 1 as user, 0, 5, 105. Yeah, that seems right. I'm getting a 200. Here, let's see when I refresh. Oh, look at that. It logged me out. That was a coincidence. Oh, didn't work. 0 returned me to 5. Why the hell does it do that? Oh, let's check out the database. What is it saving it as? Yeah, look at it. Music 0. Seems like it just doesn't want to output 0. Oh my god, it's so loud. Let me see. Yeah, here. 0. Oh. Is it because I'm using attribute and not... Oop. I mean, I guess I don't have to int valid twice. Yeah. Whatever. You have been invalid twice. Let's see, does that work? Nope. What the hell are you getting then? Five. What? Why are you giving me 5? Wait, what the hell is settings coming in as? Oh, is it considering 0 as empty? Let's do is set. That's probably why. I think it considers 0 empty. Dumb. Let's try. Doop. No. Okay. I guess not. Let's see what the hell settings is. Music 0. Sound effects 5. Okay. So is set not liking 0 either? What the hell? I guess we'll just... Or... How about... Oh no, is set equals false. Dumb. I forgot to change the bool value. Yo, Game Doodle! What up, man? Yeah, just kind of I've had this stupid setting bug where I can't set the volume to 0. I just fixed it. Awesome. It keeps resetting it to 5 every time if I try to save it at 0. But now we good. Alright. Let's go back up here. So, I fixed the client-side bug for mission triggers. So I'm going to restart the game. And now I should be able to do the mission trigger to start the whole move furniture missions without having to refresh the page. Because before, it was making me have to refresh the page. Problem was I was just passing the current location wrong. I was passing the previous location, which was dumb. I should have just been passing the place I was going to go to. Hey, this isn't working again. God damn it. Wait, why isn't that working? Uh-oh. Something's going up. Maybe going down. Oh, well. I didn't push that fix yet, but why can't I go to a new location? Oh, okay. It's weird. Sometimes the reset game just doesn't work very well. All right. Let's go to the virus. Let's try out the mission trigger without having to refresh the page. Let's find her. Whoop. Let's go set up our lab. Alright, so let's see. Will this work? Can I trigger this mission? Yay! Didn't have to refresh the page or anything. We did it. Alright. Well. Now what? The game's perfect. There's nothing left to do. We did it all. We're gonna just publish this and charge millions of dollars. Oh no. I revealed my plan to charge millions of dollars to play this game. Alright. Let's get my next mission. Nice. Meet her at Biolan. Well, I guess it's time to start a new feature. Holy crap. I forgot how far the restaurant is. Come on. Almost there. Okay. So I feel like I don't want to like give people arrows and stuff. The autonomous movement. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Yeah, I don't want to give arrows to show where things are. I feel like just putting a bunch of signs up and stuff, it makes it more fun to figure it out. That was kind of far to get to though. Maybe a mini map. Or just a map. You are here. Alonzo. I'll just put a map on the wall or something. It'll just be a sign. Yes. Autonomous movement and talking. So it's more about like a timeline of cutscene movements. So I kind of need to do a... So take you know, the cutscene here. Bylon meetup. And I kind of need to do it like... Yeah, minimap would be cool. Yeah. I don't know. Minimap might actually be kind of complicated. I'd have to do some like math based off of how far I'm moving, but divide it so it's like a smaller scale, and you're kind of moving through the level and stuff. And I just feel like it's too basic of a map to really worry that much about a mini map. You know, like Pokemon never had a mini map. You know, you just kind of walked around and found shit. And that's what this is kind of. This is Orbem Explorer. You're supposed to just kind of look around, read signs, figure shit out, figure out how to get places, do the missions. Yeah. I'm basing this game completely on Pokemon. No. At least, I mean, that's the only RPG game that I played a lot was, you know, Pokemon Red. I've done a couple other random ones. I have like a multi-game arcade cabinet that has some old games. But, yeah, I base most of my pixel art RPG, you know, thinking on Pokemon, like interacting with people and little text bubbles and shit and going into new areas. But yeah, so I think how I want to do the like cutscene, I don't know what to call it. It's like the autonomous cutscene maybe, instead of it being just like talking back and forth. I was just gonna do it like where each paragraph is a new person and you write that person's name, the character name in the class, and do it that way. And then I'll have to target the person when it's their turn to talk and change them to, like, you know, whatever their talking GIF is. And then they can talk. Blah, 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 blah. So I'll have to actually do that too. You know, in the characters, I'll have to set up, each one will have multiple versions of themselves. I'll have Iona, which she will be Iona Bylon, because this is her separate. This is Iona Thyris. And I'll need to, you know, have a little image field for talking face. Yeah, I know. I already called it cutscene though, for like just the dialogue, because it kind of like pops up and like stops you from moving. So it's like cut. You know, here's a scene. But yeah, you're right. But I am going to use the same post type for this, so I guess it'll be fine. So like, this isn't a specific person's cutscene like they usually are. Like in this case, I'm going to select multiple people. I guess I don't even have to do that. Yeah, I should. Which, what the hell? Okay, here we go. So yeah, I'll need to select multiple people. It's going to be in a new area. It's going to be in Bylon. Which I don't know if I'm spelling right. Let's check. Am I spelling Bylon correct? We'll consult the manual. Valhalla Science. That's a woman. Alright. Where the hell do I talk about the rest? Oh, here it is. Oh, it's just two N's. Why do I keep adding a H? Two N's. Alright. That's fine. Okay, it's not published yet, so this slug should still be up for grabs. Okay. Pylon. Pylon. So this will be set to the area. And then we're going to add these characters. Okay. So I can do that. So I can use the cutscene to set up the area. I can actually put all the characters that are going to be in there. So it's going to be Iona, Bylon, and then we'll have John, Pylon, and we'll have Genie, Pylon. Cool. So these are the three and me that will be talking during the scene. And yeah, it's basically just meeting the other two scientists, Jeannie and John. And those will be the additional people that go with you to Orbem. Okay. Good. And then dialogue is... yeah, so what's happening here? This needs to kind of cover a lot of junk. We're gonna have to just, you know, introduce them. So, hey Graham, this is Dr. John and Dr. Jeannie, whatever. Hey, nice to meet you too. I'm just starting everything with hey. Hey, Graham, I'm John. Hey, Graham, I'm Jeannie. Hey, that's great. This is the best conversation ever. Okay. So this is going to be Iona. So we'll put Iona Bylon. And then this is going to be me. Do I have to put me as a class? Yeah, I guess I should. But I don't have a name. Alright, MC. So if I have MC, then it's me. And then we'll do John. And we'll do Jeannie. And then that's great. We'll have that be MC again. And we'll do Iona again. Okay. So this is the scene. We'll be in the restaurant. We'll, you know, I'll have both Iona. Okay, so Iona and me are going to be sitting at the table. We'll have John and Jeannie walk up and sit down. That's basically what they do in the book. We'll do like a booth or something where they just scoot in. And then they'll just start doing the talking. And I think that should prove my development of this. Alright. Cool. Well, let's just steal this content and develop this junk. Okay. So, first off, I'm going to have to hijack the CEO office. So this is going to end up being a cutscene now instead of this area. Which should be fine. Yeah, that's fine. I'll use this entire thing. It might get a little weird with all the items, but I'm going to have to put items in the cutscene too, so it's fine. And then, so let's create the cutscene. And call it whatever. We'll do the same stuff. We will create a new area. Oh, no, we don't need to. This is going to be the CEO office. And the people in it are going to be Iona Bailon, Jeannie Bailon, and John Bailon. Cool. They should be able to prove our junk. Right. I guess technically the mission complete would be after this, so that would be, or whatever. We don't need to put that in here. I know that logic works. We'll just complete the whole Iona Bailon mission. Okay, publish. Great. So we have this. Now all we have to do is set a cutscene to an area, which we did. So now I need to hijack the new Orbem area logic. So if there is a cutscene attached... No, how's this going to work? I need to designate this being an autonomous cutscene. Somehow. Because right now, all this will do is make it so if you touch any of them, you just start talking to them. Which is not what I want. I need it to be like its own thing. Or maybe it's about the area. That's what matters. So like, if I designate the area as a cutscene, just what if I want an area to be a cutscene and an area? Well, I need to figure that out. So, CEO office. We will do... I guess I'll need like a checkbox or something. Yeah, we'll say cutscene. And if that's selected, we'll look for a cutscene tied to the area. And we'll run it. Trying to think of any pitfalls of doing that. I think that'll be good. Alright. Let's do it. We're going to add a new checkbox to areas only. So let's go to Metabox. Area. put it here. Oh wait, do we have checkbox here? Checkbox. I don't think so. I think I only use radios. The checkbox weren't working really well. So I'll just do it like this. Yes or no. Area. Sounds solid. Yeah. And if it's confusing, that's on me. Is cutscene. Alright. And then we'll do this. Yes or no. And we will default it to no. Well, yeah. This is going to be explore is cutscene. Why not? Is cutscene. And then is cutscene. Yes, this should work. Whoa. And now, let's save the options. This is displaying the options. So we'll do radio. Video killed the radio star. Alright, here. We'll just copy this junk. Is cutscene. Is cutscene. Definitely need to write a global array variable that just loops through all this junk. So I don't have to keep repeating every time I make a new fucking meta box. But that's for another time. I'm gonna spend like probably a good month just doing code cleanup at some point. That'll be a fun stream. Okay, that's fine. And then the save meta, let's grab it. Where's repeat? Repeat. I want to copy that. Here it is. But where is it? Oh, it's right here. Okay, it's just normal. Right, it's just yes or no. Is cutscene. Cool. Great. Yeah, it will be dangerous, so that's for sure. Alright, is cutscene. Let's add it to this thing. Explore is cutscene. Cool. That'll twerk. Why am I not doing this for more of these? Because a lot of these are numbers, but or arrays. Yeah, right. Cool. This should be good. And now, will it save first try? Explore areas in here. It is. Okay, cool. Should be good. All right. So let's designate if it's a cutscene. Yes. Great. Let's refresh and make sure that's saved, so I'm not fumbling around afterwards. Yep, it did not. This is what always fucking happens. Why won't you save? I know you're getting sent. You bitch. Every time. Alright, save, 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 save is cutscene. Explore is cutscene. Is that right? Explore is cutscene. Explore is cutscene. Yes, yes. Ah, god damn it. Every time. I hate you. And by you, I mean me. Okay. Here we go. Did it save though? It did save, right? No, it didn't save. So let's... Why is it not working? Still not working. Hold on. Is cutscene... Should be getting past here. If false in array... Oh, no, I'm not doing that though. I'm doing it here, which is if it equals that. Is cutscene, cutscene, yes, no, yes, no. And then is cutscene, correct. Is cutscene, yeah, right? Yeah. Okay, so it should be saving. Well, let's take a quick look at the database just to double check. Post meta, newest meta. No, it is not. Oh yeah, it is right here. Is cutscene? Yes. So it's still just not outputting because it's being a dick. Okay, what am I doing wrong? Mental box, what am I doing wrong? Display is true, so it should be echoing. Let's double check this is getting hit. Oop. It does not appear to be getting hit. It is... Wait, no, yeah. Yeah, it is right here. String. Is cutscene. Getting 0. Getting nothing. Alright, well, that's the problem. So the problem is the variable is not getting hit. Good to know. Why? I guess let's copy and paste this just to make sure. So this is definitely getting hit. Did I put it in the wrong one? Am I in the enemy box or something? That's enemy. That's correct there. Is cutscene. Don't mind me. Just being stupid. Man, I hate that. Okay. Yes. Okay. I can't ever get metaboxes correct first try. I have no idea. No idea why. Okay. So now we know it's a cutscene. We have a cutscene assigned to it. So when I go to this area, I need to get into the enter new area function, and instead of making the HTML based off of like a map area, I need to return the cutscene junk, which is the people. So yeah, we basically have to hijack this REST endpoint. What is it? New area? New explore area? God damn it. Register rest. Okay. Get. What is. Okay. Get Orbem area. So this is for when you enter a new area, client side. What about when you load an area? I guess I'm hitting the same function, right? Right. Yeah, I'm getting location. Yeah. Though I don't. It'd be really weird if you refresh during a cutscene. Honestly, I'd rather it take you back before you enter the restaurant, but we can deal with that another time. Okay. So I need to now check: is the position a cutscene? So, and I gotta ignore all this. So let's do this. I need to is cutscene equals get posts, and the args are going to be post type equals explore cutscene, right? And it's going to be a meta query. Ooh, meta query, which is going to be another array. Key equals explore. Well, I guess I could shut this down actually, now that I think about it. Yeah. So we can simply do this. Is cutscene. So this is actually the cutscene. Right. I can grab the cutscene based off of its meta value. No, so is cutscene is actually get post meta. And position. Oh, I'm doing it right here actually. So I can scooch this down. Doop, doop, doop. Alright. So where am I using area? Area ID. Oh, like that. Okay, so if true, no, if false equals empty, area get post meta explore is cutscene. Then it's a cutscene. Well, no, it's not. So if it's not empty and yeah, let's actually just grab this. Is cutscene. Okay. So if is cutscene is not empty and yes equals is cutscene, then let's do cutscene things. Oh shit. I copied over my copy. I know I can like look at my clipboard and find history, but I forgot how to do that. Boop. Okay. So now we'll get the cutscene, which is simply get posts. Posts per page equal 1. Okay, cool. And now it's the key is that, and the value equals. Wait, no. We're getting explore cutscene. The key is it's not a meta value, right? It's not a meta value. It's a tax query, actually. Whoops. So the taxonomy is not explore area. Wait, it is explore area. Correct. Right? Let's actually check it out. Yes, the meetup explore area. Yeah. Cool. So we'll get that. And the field is slug in the terms position. Nice. Good job, ID. All right. Good. So let's just do this real quick. And then let's return this bastardized output just so I can make sure it works. So what we're going to return is actually going to be map characters. Wait, what? How come characters aren't part of this? I guess I'm considering characters and map items. So let's keep that. Yeah, I'll need all this. I'll probably need that. I don't need abilities. I don't need missions. And the cutscene should... Sure, we'll keep cutscenes. Yeah, I'm definitely have to create a function that builds the HTML based off of the cutscene. And that'll be map cutscenes. Okay, so, but I do need some of this other stuff, like this. Yeah, technically, I guess. The only difference here is... I guess the only difference is the cutscene itself. So really, I don't have to do any of this. I don't care if it's a cutscene or not. I mean, I do, but I only care about that in this function, get explore cutscenes. So is area cutscene. Right? So in that case, is area cutscene. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And I can still get the cutscene data. This, I mean, I guess I'm getting it the same way already. So, yeah. Cool. I might have just saved myself some time. So really, it's just this. Yeah, position is area cutscene. Cool. I doing with get explore cutscenes? Oh, I guess I'm just outputting it. Explore cutscenes. I guess I'm just outputting the objects. Interesting. Is that all I'm doing? I thought I was like... No. Oh, shit. I was in the wrong one. Whoops. Get explore cutscenes. Oh. Dumb. I was in the wrong one. Yeah, I don't want get explore cutscenes. I want this to be in right here. Get map cutscene HTML. That's what I wanted. Got it. Yeah, because the HTML will change. Is area cutscene default? No. Okay. So now, what I'm going to do is probably change a bunch of the HTML the way it works. Because we'll have stuff to deal with. Yeah, I'm going to have to try it out. Okay. I have an idea, but it's about time to give it quits. Feels like it was a short stream, but you know, just wasn't a lot of chatter, I guess. Just got Game Doodle here, keeping me company. But yeah, did you email me, by the way, about uh-oh. Oh, there we go. Yeah, my mic turned off. Oh yeah, I put it in the chat. Here, I'll put it in the chat again. Scott.Adrian. It's just Scott.Adrian@orbemortar.com. Yeah, just ping me there. I want to get you your stuff. Yeah, go ahead and ping me there, and then we can get you your books and merch. But yeah, I think this will be good. It seems like I can pretty much use the normal output of going to a new area, and I'll determine what, you know, the reason I need to know whether the area is a cutscene or not. Yeah, YouTube chat. Are you not seeing my chat message in YouTube chat? Because I see yours. Oh. That's weird. So you can only see your own chat? Could you see other people's chats when they're talking? Or is it just mine you can't see? That's weird. Oh, okay. Well, it's pretty easy. It's just Scott.Adrian@orbemortar.com. There. And that's for everybody. Anybody want to email me? Go ahead. That's what it's there for. So email me all you want. I don't really like emails that much, but I don't like passing important information across other platforms. you know, addresses and whatnot. Yeah, let me know when you got that written down on your end. Sweet. Yeah, hit me up. And then I'll reach out for the goods. And yeah, it's pretty much, I think we're good for tonight. I'm not streaming Saturday, Sunday, normal summer hours, but I don't know. If I get bored tomorrow, I might jump on. But I do have the Celtic Festival, so, you know, I'm going to be in a kilt and have my little Scottish hat on, and I don't know. You could see I'm bearding up, so I'm ready to go for the Highland Games. But it's gonna be hot, and there's gonna be a lot of drinking, so we'll see what kind of state I'm in tomorrow night. But yeah, thanks everybody who's jumped in and out. Everyone who watches the shorts, keep it up, and you know, keep liking all my videos and stuff like that. Helps the algorithm, help, you know, show off to other people. And yeah, everybody start following me on Twitch. What the hell? Twitch is so dead. I swear, like, it just stopped getting followers out of nowhere. I don't know. I think maybe my streaming hours are kind of weird for Twitch. Seems to be okay for YouTube. Got a lot of in and outs, you know, of people checking it out, but I don't know. Twitch is dead. But yeah. With that, I bid you adieu. Have a good night, and we'll catch you in the next one. Goodbye. See you again, Beetle.